Okay. Hi, my name is Alba. I'm the marketing director of the audiovisual studio Framemov.
And what does that do? What do you do?
We are specialized in the production of audiovisual content, immersive experiences, and interactive installations.
And you have all these demonstrations on your channel people can watch?
Yes, all these type of projects are available in our website, and also you can find the demos and the making ofs of these projects in our YouTube.
And is some really cool projects like is it using 3D rendering? Is it real video? How do you make it?
Yeah, we make like a mix of everything. We create 3D video, 3D modeling, real-time content using, for example, Notch or even TouchDesigner. The interactive installations are also with this software, and for the 3D one, we also use Unreal Engine
And where are your customers? Around the world? Where are your customers based?
The main clients are here based in Barcelona or even in Spain, but we also work worldwide. We also have clients in London, in New York, in Saudi Arabia, and we are looking forward to expand more.